How to unban the OmeTV. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So choose any preferred browser. On the top search bar you need to search for m.ometv. You will see something like this. Scroll down to the very end and you will see the very option of contacts right here. Tap on the contact option and then just tap on the very contact@ometv. Now just tap on your mail section, tap on always. Now you need to send the mail to the OmeTV. The subject must be banned and then choose I got banned for nothing, or you can change and write your own subject right here and then just tap on the hit button on the top send side. So this is the send option. After you sent it, your plea will be sent to the very OmeTV and then your problem should be solved, and they will give you feedback after a few days, and that's just like that your problem will surely be solved. So just like that your problem is solved. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.